The 2026 Dacia Spring represents a significant evolution in the brand's approach to affordable electric mobility. Dacia has built a reputation for producing cost-effective vehicles, and the upcoming Spring model aims to refine this strategy while addressing some of the limitations of its predecessor. Utilizing the Ampr Small platform, developed in collaboration with Renault, the 2026 Spring is expected to offer notable improvements in efficiency, safety, and performance. This transition marks a crucial step in the democratization of electric vehicles, ensuring accessibility to a broader demographic without compromising on essential technological advancements. Historically, the Dacia Spring has been recognized as one of the most affordable electric vehicles in the European market. However, its initial iteration faced criticism due to its limited power output and concerns regarding safety standards. In response, Dacia has committed to enhancing the 2026 model by implementing structural reinforcements, improved battery management, and a more refined drivetrain. The vehicle's projected starting price of under £15,000 remains one of its most attractive attributes, reaffirming Dacia's strategic focus on affordability without excessive reliance on government subsidies. Beyond pricing considerations, the 2026 Dacia Spring also reflects broader industry trends in sustainable transportation. By leveraging streamlined production techniques and optimizing component sourcing, Dacia and Renault have significantly reduced development timelines, achieving a 16-month turnaround for this model. This efficiency underscores the increasing viability of budget-friendly electric vehicles in a competitive market. As electrification becomes more prevalent, the 2026 Spring will likely serve as a benchmark for other automakers aiming to balance cost-effectiveness with sustainable innovation.